Assalomu alaykum. Mana biz bugun sizlarga davom etayotgan ish qidirish, ish topish strategiyalari, rezyume yozish hamda intervyuga tayyorgarlik bo'lgan treningimizning 3-qismini havola qilamiz. Marhamat, tomosha qiling. Ushbu treningga boshqa davlatlardan, masalan Nigeriya, Braziliya, Hindiston, Bangladesh va boshqa davlatlardan ham migrant bo'lib kelgan bu yerdagi o'rtoqlarimiz qatnashdi. Bizga kanadalik Sara Murad trener bizga ajoyib trening o'tdi.
Hi, I'm Sarah from Options Community Services here at BCSIS Settlement and Integration Program, helping newcomers navigate the landscape in Canada, the employment landscape in Canada. So if you need resumes, you need job search strategies or interview preparations, we're happy to do that for you here. Anything else?
Mana bugun ikkinchi kun. Trening ikkinchi kuni bizda. Hozir mana shunaqangi broshuralar bor. Bu yerda siz mana Migrant Works programlar bor. Education resume worksheetlar bor. Demak, job search strategiyalar bor, mana qarang. Mana shunaqangi bepul treningga albatta qatnashinglar. Albatta kelinglar, o'zingizlarda ishlarni topinglar, hayotda qiynalmanglar. Kanadada ish topish juda oson emas. Albatta bunga mehnat qilish kerak, bunga to'g'ri yondashish kerak, to'g'ri strategiya tuzish kerak, to'g'ri joyga borib, to'g'ri ma'lumotga ega bo'lish kerak. Albatta bu yerda imkoniyatlar ko'p, undan to'g'ri foydalanish kerak va vaqtida foydalanish kerak. Biz o'rtoqlarimiz, biz tanishlarimiz. Yeah, fine. How about you? Hozir? Yeah, odamlar o'g'illar bilan kelyapti. Tell me something about this training.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much, Mahmoud. Yeah, yesterday actually we had done one class, which was very good because we learned how to create the resume, and I appreciate options. So they did good things actually. And today and tomorrow we have another 2 sessions. Maybe we'll learn more things from these sessions, and finally we'll be able to tell you guys how was the whole workshops. Thank you.
Till now it has been very informational, and there are 2 more sessions left, so hope that we'll learn more about it, how to build our resume, and hope we'll get more interview calls. So it's going good. Thank you.
Brother, can you tell me about the training?
Yes, it is a good training. I learned a lot how to fix my resume, and today we will learn how to do a cover letter, and I think it's a very good.
I here at Options here in Canada, I have been able to attend the training for review of resumes and with Sarah. And it's been quite educative. I have learned so much, and the reasons why I found out that I have not been called for interviews or job openings because of the few errors with the resumes. Thank you very much.
Assalomu alaykum. Mana biz 3 kunlik treningni bosib o'tdik. Buning uchun men rahmat aytmoqchiman Sara Murodga. I am very glad to see you and very thank you.
Thank you. It was a pleasure having you here as well. I hope that your time with us was really informative and that you were able to learn something new today.
Mana shunaqa qilib biz trening tugatdik. Sara Murod bizni o'rgatdi, qanaqa qilib ish topishni, qayerlarga rezyume jo'natishni, shuningdek qanaqa qilib intervyularga tayyorgarlik ko'rishni o'rgatdi. Men juda ham katta rahmat aytmoqchiman. Men bu yerdagi yashovchi o'zbek o'rtoqlarimizga, yaqinlarimizga shuni aytamanki, kelinglar, shunaqangi treninglarga o'rganinglar va bepul ta'lim olinglar. Mana shunaqangi ajoyib professional o'qituvchilardan, treninglardan dars olinglar va o'zingizlarning kelajagingizni quringlar. Welcome.